A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Before starting the introduction of new computer science book for class 9, I would like to draw your attention toward the importance of computer in the light of the Holy Quran. As Allah Almighty says in Surah Alaq, Allazi allama bil kalam, allamal insana malam yalam, who taught by the pen, taught man that which he knew not. In verse number 4, Allah Almighty is telling us about the importance of pen, that is a great mean of getting knowledge. In a sense, we can say that nowadays the most refined form of the pen is computer. Computer not only helps us in composing, writing, but also helps us in almost all fields of life. It is also a great source of information. With the help of it, we can get information in a matter of seconds from any part of the world. After knowing the importance of computer, we now come to our main task. The front page of new computer science book for class 9 is here. This book consists of 5 units. In unit 1, we will learn about problem solving. In chapter 2, that is about binary system, we will learn in it about binary numbers. In chapter 3, we learn about networks. In unit 4, we will learn about data and its privacy. And in the last unit, I mean unit 5, we will learn about designing website. In upcoming lectures, inshallah, we will learn more about computers.